Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you that how to make catalyst particle of two different catalysts. For instance, if one particle is on vertices of an Welcome to my channel with a new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn catalyst particles containing of two type particles in which those minor particles are present at the vertices of the catalyst and the major particles are present inside the shape. As we can see in this picture that the small particle present on the vertices are cobalt, while the major particle present in the system are copper. So we are going to learn this in this tutorial, so start instantly with the blender. Watch the whole video. Thank you. First of all, we will delete, and remember that first you need to go to preference and adds on, click on this and check here that add mesh. These four should be checked: add mesh, bolt factory, discombulator, extra object, and geodesic domes. If it is not checked, so make it enable, because we are going to use these four. Then come back, press shift A in order to insert, or we can go to add, then mesh, come to this math function and press on regular solid. Once regular solid appear on the window, just click on the left bottom of the screen, regular solid. Now you will notice that different shapes are appear from here, like if we note that octahedron. Okay, and then press on custom, truncated octahedron. If we see that this is our desired shape, octahedron, and this is truncated octahedron, we can adjust its size like this. So 0.31 is appropriate size for this. Now zoom it. Okay, we have made the basic shape. Now we want to fill this basic shape with two types of particles. One is the cobalt, which are present on the vertices of this octahedron, and the copper particle, which should be in the volume. Okay, so first shift, we need to dislocate it by pressing G, and then along y-axis press Y, so it will start move along the y-axis. And the 3D cursor is dead, so shift A, we want to insert UV sphere. Okay, size is to make it reduce like this. Size is 0.036. Okay, now take it into side again by G and y-axis. Okay, give it a name, for example main sphere. Main sphere mean which should be inside the this truncated octahedron. Insert another sphere by shift A, you will come up with this. Press S in order to reduce the size. Okay, reduce the same size as we have already inserted the main sphere, so it should be like 0.031, 0.031, like the first one. Again 0.031, all of them should be same, xyz axis 0.031. similarly 0.031. Okay, so we got, and also rename it. We will rename it by vertex sphere, which should be on the vertex. In order to avoid any sort of confusion, we just rename because both are spheres, so we should care of it. Okay, now make it smooth, both of them, by pressing right click of the mouse, so it will become smooth. Okay, now we want to give them some specific color, like here the vertices particle are red. So now click on the vertex sphere, this is vertex, and make it red. So by pressing on the vertex sphere, go to the material properties, click on this new. Okay, you will come with this menu and click on this base color, select this one. Yeah, red one. Okay, change this in order, yeah, in order to look that the corresponding color has been appeared on the particle. Now make it some shine by increasing the metallic nature of the particle. We know that metallic are shiny particles. All metallics are shiny because of the abundance of electron. So make it shiny and reduce the roughness. You can see that the shine has been increased. Okay, now click on this because in the picture we have blue copper particle inside in the sphere, so make it blue. Click on this, again go to the material properties, click new, base color, choose base color of green, dark green. We can see that the red one is more shiny than the bluer one, so make it the blue one also some shiny. For example, increasing the metallic characteristic and reduce the roughness. You can see that as we reduce the roughness and increase the metallic nature, the shining of the particle increase. Okay, now we want to look at this particle on the vertex of this octahedron, Cubo octahedron. For this, what we will do, just click on this, go to this particle properties, click on it, click on this plus button and reduce the number of particles. For example, we have 100 of particles. It's up to you. It's 100 particles. Make this keyframe 1. Okay, now source, we want to make this red particle on the vertices, so select the vertex. Now go to the render and render as, make it from hello to object for specific object because we want to fill this sphere with a specific object. So now object, click this and you will come up with this window. Select which one you want to be on the vertex of the sphere. So vertex sphere, select vertex sphere automatically. Now as we select it, automatically it come here, but size are too low, so we will increase the scale like this, like this. Wow, you can see that the red particle has been appeared on the vertices of the particles of the system. Yeah. Okay. Now one part of the project has been completed successfully. We can see that these are appear on the vertices. If you want to eliminate the solid sphere, then go to viewport, display, and uncheck this show emitter. Yeah, this is another view. The sphere has been disappeared, and if we don't want to disappear the system, the solid sphere, so just check again. Now this. Okay, now the remaining part is that we want to fill the whole sphere system with this. Okay, so for this, select the main sphere, click on this solid system, again go to the particle system is already, and just another system, click on another system because we want to include another system. Make the particle 100 because it's up to you. If you are having the dense particle system, you can increase the particles. We are satisfied with the 100. It's up to you. And make again, this is 1. Okay. Now we want to fill the solid system with this sphere. So emit from, convert to the volume because we want to be inside, and distribution of the particle should be grid. Yeah. Later on I will show that how it changes. And render, again change from hello to object. Yeah. And now increase the scale. First we need to select the object, which object you want to be inside the sphere. So just click on it and click on the main sphere. We can see that main sphere particle has been appeared inside the solid system, but these are tiny, so just increase its size by increasing the scale. As we increase the scale, you can see that particles are increasing. Okay, now what we need is to increase the scale is good. We want to increase the resolution as well. Yeah, this is the resolutions 15. Okay, you can see that the particle, what is the particle disturb, but don't worry about it. Just you can click anywhere, show emitter, or here the particle will go again to its own position. Okay, but we want to vanish the solid sphere, so show unmade. We can see that the particle are having some distance among them. We want to eliminate the distance by increasing the resolution like that. As we increase the resolution, the size of the particle get increased. Now change some scale. By increasing scale, you can see that particles are getting closer to each other. Increase the resolutions again. Now you will just adjust resolution and scale. Yeah, and just check again on this. Yeah, we can see that we are already almost at the destination point. Almost we have completed our project. Like we can compare. Yeah, now the rest is how we will import actually this diagram, mean that how we will take picture. So just select any angle like this. If I want to just to take a picture from this angle, what I will do that press Ctrl Alt and 0 at a time. So you will come, the camera will automatically come at that specific angle. Now we want to fix the camera, because if I move, the camera will disappear. Again, Control Alt 0 and click there like this. View, click on view and lock the camera. Now the camera will not disappear upon my movement. Now the camera will be fixed. Yeah, you can take picture from any angle what you like most, like this. Okay, remove this one from there, remove this, because you can see that in our picture there will come. Okay, again these are disturbed, so don't worry about it, just click in again like this. Okay, now for example I like this side to take a picture. What I will do, just press F12. It will take some time to take a picture at that specific angle. Okay, come on. Yeah, so just then image and save as like this. For example, I am saving it. Go back. Okay, I want to change it in the background, so then go to there, this render properties, click on film and transparent, make it transparent. Now press again F12. Yeah, now you can see that the background is transparent. So this is how uh, you can make this specific project. So thank you for watching. If you learned something, kindly subscribe and support me. Thank you. Thank you very much.